And the reason I was referred is that originally I knew I had cataracts, and we had to deal with that. But what I also found, and I did not know, is that I had glaucoma in both eyes. The problem that I had in seeing is that things were blurred, they were overlapping. At night I was seeing halos. I'd see a couple of, I would see one set of headlights and it'd almost be like 4 lights. I got to the point where in a grocery store where they have signs over the aisles telling you where the bread is and the salad dressing, that type of thing. If I closed my left eye, my right eye was worse than my left eye, but if I closed my left eye, I could barely read these signs. And when it even got to the point where I couldn't read a license plate from about 5 feet. If I closed my left eye, it was all blurred and just overlapping. And so I had the procedures done, both the cataract surgery and the laser surgery to release the pressure in the eye. And this took, I was obviously very concerned and nervous about it. In fact, when I went in for the surgery, they said my blood pressure is a little bit high, and are you nervous? I said, yes, I'm nervous. Well, it turns out there's no reason to, and there's no pain. I didn't feel any pain during or after, and I didn't have to take any pain relievers. I think the only thing that I was aware of is sort of a kaleidoscope of colors. When the surgery was being done, you could see reds and greens, but that was all. As I say, there was no pain involved at all. So after they completed that, they put a patch on my, I'd had my right eye done first because that was the worst of the 2 eyes, and they said keep the patch on for 2 hours. And they said when you take the patch off, of course, you're still going to have blurred vision. Well, I kept it on for the 2 hours, and I took it off, and indeed I did have blurred vision after that, and I was somewhat disappointed, even though they had warned me about that. So I was kind of disappointed, and I just stayed around the house until mid-afternoon. I went outside, and I was curious to see what I could see. And first of all, I looked at my license plate, and I closed my left eye, and I could see this clearly. And so I started backing up to see how far I could read this, and I got back to about 75 feet, and I could still see it clearly with just my right eye, and I was happy as can be at that. And so the procedure, the next thing was to be done was the left eye, which as concerned as I was having the right eye done, I was eager to have the left eye if I was going to get the same results. And indeed, we did the same thing. Dr. Spigelman did the same thing with the left eye, and the results came out the same. And I found now not only just not having any overlapping, any blurred vision. When driving at night, I don't have that halo effect, and the vision is quite clear, and I'm just incredibly pleased with what he had done for me, and I'm just very, very thankful that I was referred to the doctor, and I was very pleased with the outcome, and I'm just delighted with my vision.